Is your iPhone stuck in a world of black and white and you have no idea why? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and most of the time, it's easily fixed by checking your accessibility settings, specifically a feature called color filters. This tutorial will guide you through restoring your iPhone's vibrant colors in just a few simple steps. First, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the icon that looks like a gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and locate Accessibility. Tap on it to open the accessibility options. Within the accessibility menu, you'll want to find and tap on Display and Text Size. Now, on the Display and Text Size screen, you should see an option labeled Color Filters. Tap on that. You'll likely see that the Color Filters option is turned on. This is what's causing your black and white screen. To fix it, simply tap the toggle switch next to Color Filters to turn it off. As soon as you do this, your iPhone screen should immediately return to its full, vibrant colors. And just like that, your iPhone is back to displaying color. If this didn't solve the problem, you might want to double-check other accessibility settings like Smart Invert or Grayscale under Display and Text Size. Or even consider restarting your iPhone by holding down the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears, then sliding it to power off and turning it back on. You've successfully restored your iPhone's color display. Enjoy your visually appealing device again.